Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are gonna look at creating map indicator or map overview in Arcgis Pro. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This means a lot for me. Now let's take a look. What is this map overview? In most of maps, we see that there is always a small overview by showing the location of that map in the region or in county or in country, depending on your purpose of map. And for this template, the main map canvas, it is related with the first map, and the overview, it is related with extend. And for this, I have also created map series for this index layer, which is this index layer. And the overview, it is related with map series. This means that this time we have highlighted the B2, and if we switch this to C3, we see that the C3 will be highlighted and the B2 is going to be disabled. Now let's get started with this very short exercise. The very first step that I'm gonna do, I will create a map canvas just on the top, exactly same as the existing one. So for this, the very first step, it is add a new extend in the map series. Now Arcgis Pro has connected this new extend automatically with the first map. But for this purpose, we are gonna need a new map. So we have one map for the main canvas. A second map is connected with overview, and we need a third map for this to have in parallel two overviews. Now in Arcgis Pro ribbon, I am going to point the new map, and we are gonna add a new map. So a map 3, it is created. Now we are going to copy these two layers into this map. Let's copy by drag and drop. So I am dragging and drop layers from one map into another. And the second step, it is that to create a copy of this grid index. So let me first change the colors. I'm gonna have a green one, and I will right click to the layer and I will click copy, and then I will right click to the map and I will click paste. Basically, Arcgis Pro has created two layers in our table of content, but both layers are pointing the same layer in memory. So these layers are not different to each other. And I'm going to rename the first one with number 2 just to have a separation with the previous one. And I'm going to change the color of this layer to red. And the width of the line will be 4 points. Now I'm going also to remove the labeling, because we see that we have two labels because we have two layers. Okay, so basically we have finished preparing our map in Arcgis Pro. Now the next step, it is we go to map series, and as I said before, this overview, it is connected automatically by Arcgis Pro with the first map, but we want this overview to be connected with our new map that we created. So we right click to this map, to this canvas. In the map frame, we choose our map 3, which is the one that we created. Now we see that this is changed with our layers, and I am going to open this map and right click to one layer, no matter which layer, and we choose zoom to. Now the last step that we are going to do, it is to create this kind of automatization. Let's say we switch again to map 3, we right click to our layer that we want to do it, and we choose properties. In properties, we see in properties there is one page query. So if we open the drop down list in page query, we have the same column here that we have used to create the map series. Basically, the page query is connected with the map series layer, and for this we choose as ID the same page ID which is used to create the page, the map series. So I choose the page name, and we will click match. And okay, basically we are done now. So now it is highlighted just the C3. So in map series, the layer that we have created the map series, which is the grid index in this map, we have used as a name field the page name. Depending on this field, you are going to use the same field in this page query. Now we have the same situation. So I have created basically the same overview that it is here. And if I switch to C1, we will see that the C1 will be highlighted and the A1 will be highlighted. So basically we are finished. This is all what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you enjoyed this Arcgis Pro tutorial, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and get back to my channel. See you in the next tutorials. Bye.